Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some really bad news, but also some very good news for you when you are holding any Bitcoin, any crypto. I will show you my trades, and I want to urge you to watch this video until the very end, because only both of these very important snippets together will make sense to you, will tell you what I believe is going to happen to Bitcoin, to cryptocurrency right now in the immediate short term. Let's jump straight into it. Let's talk about my trades. Let's talk about my price targets. Let's talk about everything. What matters right now for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for XRP, for Solana, and for other cryptocurrencies in the immediate short term. You can see my short-term Bitcoin trade. 40 Bitcoin in volume is right now $1.1 million in a profit. The XRP trade is approximately break even. The long-term Bitcoin trade is right now $14.5 million in unrealized profits. Realized profits $10.3 million already. Solana $220,000 in a profit, and Ethereum $540,000 in a profit. Now, the most important question is, what can we expect for Bitcoin? Are the movements we are seeing here in the last few days what we've been waiting for? Well, first of all, one news is, and you could say that is very good news, but listen, please listen until the end. It's very important. I actually have to make my new subscription. It expired. This is good. I don't have TradingView Premium. Really have to do that quickly. Anyways, what you can see here is Bitcoin. Yes, we closed the weekly candle above. That is bullish. I posted that also on Twitter before we closed it, that would be a bullish sign. Usually it is a bullish sign. Weekly candle at a new all-time high. The highest weekly candle close in history for Bitcoin. That is no way around. You cannot say that this is bearish. However, go back in history and you can see that in the last bull cycle, 2021, just a quick word of caution, guys. I need to do it. I feel obligated doing so. After breaking above, yes, we had a few more weeks of upwards momentum, but what actually happened? Bitcoin had another, I don't know, if you pumped a few $1,000 waiting for that 8 months. Was that worth it? No, especially if you adjust for inflation. So we did not really create a new all-time high, even though we closed in 2021 also a weekly candle above the previous all-time high. This is just really a word of caution I want to tell you. If you are thinking, oh, everything looks so bullish, let me go all in. Oh, Chris is at this in this $30 million long position. Maybe I should also go long and throw a lot of money in. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Just closing a weekly candle at a new all-time high, at least historically, it did not guarantee you significant gains, right? Here you can see Bitcoin is for the second time now in this upward sloping channel. And what you can see, the last time we were breaking the resistance right here, it became new support. And now we broke to this new, not all-time high, but to this new high, the highest price in like 4 months for Bitcoin. But we are still not breaking this upward sloping resistance. So yes, it's amazing that Bitcoin is going higher. But I do want to urge you to some caution. Wait for it to at least break this upward sloping resistance. If we are breaking the upward sloping resistance, especially if we are breaking the previous high, we will most likely have some more upwards momentum. But overall, on the grand scheme of things, you do need to be very careful right now for the reasons which I mentioned. Yes, I am long. Yes, I am bullish, but I am very careful because I know exactly how it can go. Be ready to take profits, guys. Be careful. And still be bullish. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see each other very soon at the next one on Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.